Do you ever wonder how the professionals can declutter a house so quickly? In this video series, I'm going to show you all my tips for how to declutter your entire house like a professional. Hi, my name's Jessica and I'm the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. So we are in my kitchen, and as you can see, I really don't have a lot of things out on the counter. I do this for a couple of reasons, but the main being that it keeps my kitchen looking tidy. One thing I've noticed whenever I go into clients' houses and help declutter their kitchen is that they might have multiples or triples or even 4 of the same item. They didn't know that they had 4 peelers because they were in so many different places around their kitchen. So by grouping them all together and giving them a home in one drawer or cabinet, you are going to completely declutter a lot of excess items you have around your kitchen. Remember, drawer dividers are your friend. They are not just to make your kitchen drawers look pretty. They actually have a very functional purpose. That purpose is to contain things in larger drawers. We've used them to keep dish towels separate from measuring supplies. We've used them for kitchen supplies, kitchen gadgets, you name it. Those drawer dividers can easily help streamline your drawers. Another decluttering tip is to always ask yourself, do you use this? Now, the focus of that question really is it necessary to be in your kitchen? The goal is not to store things, but to use them. Right? That's the whole idea about organizing. You only want to keep and use what you actually use and have versus going out and buying another peeler because you can't find it, and then it turns out when we clear out all your drawers that you have 12 sitting in your house. Sometimes we don't always remember what we use, and we also have things that are seasonal. If you have something that's seasonal, like you only use it for holidays, like Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, Christmas, Easter, etc., then I would recommend storing that in your bin for that specific holiday. So for us, our Thanksgiving gravy bowls, we'd never use them unless we're hosting Thanksgiving. So that is in my box. They're wrapped up and labeled that those are my gravy boats, along with some other things that we only use on Thanksgiving. Now, we have to get real about water bottles. How many reusable water bottles do you actually need, and how many do you actually use? Seriously, I know this is an easy gift to give people, and I know, we want to be eco-friendly, but you're also not being eco-friendly by having 12 water bottles per person. You're creating a lot of clutter. Some of them will get really gross because they're just sitting there and you're actually not using them. Just because you have 12 for one person in your house doesn't mean that you need to keep all 12. Don't store it, use it. These are words you need to live by, okay? Your house is not a storage facility. Your house is to be used and lived in. So rather than just storing items by sticking them in a bin or sticking them in a drawer, actually use them. Keep only things you use, and then you will easily declutter your house like a professional. Love all of these decluttering tips? Guess what? I have a ton more over on the blog. Click the link down below for how to declutter like a professional, and you will get all of my tips. Plus, you can also sign up for a Decluttering Your Home Like a Professional checklist. It's completely free. I am giving it away to help you get organized. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. New videos every Wednesday.